Hello everyone. Today is April 16th, 2021, uh, around 11 o'clock midnight. I'm going to issue a warning to all the cryptocurrency investors and all the potential cryptocurrency investors that, so the warning is that Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies, they have probably topped out and they are going to enter an ice age for around 6 months to 2 years, maybe a few years. So so the price of Bitcoin right now is around, so the price of Bitcoin is right now is $62,200, and the price of Dogecoin is 32 cents, and also the price of Ethereum is around 2,500. This congratulations. I mean, these are very high prices. If you invest in these cryptocurrencies probably 3 months ago, then you have made a significant gain. But if you look at this week, Bitcoin has actually reached the all-time high of potential all-time high. I mean, of $65,000, and Dogecoin has yesterday it has reached 45 cents, and also XRP, the Ethereum, they also reached their respective all-time highs. So the warning is that you may never see these prices anymore. You probably won't see Bitcoin going back to $65,000 anymore. You won't probably see Dogecoin going back to 45 cents anymore for the next few months to a few to 1 or 2 years. Now, of course, many so-called experts, many so-called financial advisors, and sophisticated investors and cryptocurrencies wealth, they all think that Bitcoin will go up to $10,000. Sorry, 100,000. Yeah, $100,000 this year, a million next year, 5 million or 2 million next 5 years, right? So I'm going to prove them wrong. I'm going to say that tomorrow, April 17th, 2021, the cryptocurrencies market will enter an ice age, and I'm very, very bearish towards all these cryptocurrencies. So I have to make a disclaimer. I'm not a cryptocurrency expert, but I'm a cryptocurrency fanboy. I'm a cryptocurrency fanatic. I love cryptocurrencies. I invest in cryptocurrencies 5 years ago already, but I have sold out all my cryptocurrencies, and I love it, but I have to I sold it all to take the profit. Uh, um, to be honest, I have missed the train for Dogecoin, for example. So the part of me of making the video is that I'm very jealous of you guys making incredible gains. Congratulations, um, but I do have some proofs. That the cryptocurrencies market will probably be very bad in the next month or so. So don't don't um, don't close the video. I hope that you will you will hear my reasons. So there are three reasons. The first reason is that the all the odds compound this week and also the past week. If you remember in 2018, Bitcoin has topped at 20k. Is I mean the previous all-time high. And the moment that it topped, there was also all these compounds that was like Dogecoin reaching its previous all-time high, XRP reaching $2, right? And then after all these compounds, a few days after all these compounds, Bitcoin crashed, and also all the others altcoin crashed as well. It was just a pump and dump scheme, and the pump of altcoin is very bad for the whole cryptocurrency market. So the history may repeat because of this very ridiculous compounds over this week and the last week. Bitcoin and also the whole cryptocurrency will probably crash. I hope there will not be a crash, but the price will go down. And we are now, for example, we are now like the passengers in a Titanic. We are now the passengers in a sinking ship, and there is a potential danger ahead of us that we cannot see. There is an iceberg. There's an iceberg that we can't see, but our ship, our Titanic, is going to hit the iceberg, and things will happen. Will be very bad. And all the wells under the ocean, all these Bitcoin wells, crypto wells, they are going to eat us, to consume us, to consume this. We innocent people that put our money into cryptocurrencies. So that is the first reason. Odds compound usually precedes the crypto crash. So the second reason is the Coinbase IPO. This is an interesting standpoint because many people think that Coinbase IPO is very bullish. It's very bullish for the cryptocurrency market. But I will hold. I'll be a contrarian here. I 100% disagree. So if you think about it, the fundamental reason of cryptocurrency is the privacy part for me. It's the crypto part for me. That's why it's called cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency, right? So the cryptography thing is the core value of cryptocurrency. But the success of Coinbase, or the IPO of Coinbase, the more successful the Coinbase is, or the stock price of Coinbase, the higher the stock price of Coinbase, the worse the value of the crypto part or the privacy part will go away more. So if you I was investor of cryptocurrency, right? For example, 4 years, 5 years ago, back then Coinbase was not such a big thing, and there were a lot of exchanges like Kraken, like Binance, like KuCoin. Back then, I didn't have to submit my driver license or state ID. Actually, I don't even have a driver license, right? But back then I just have to, like, for example, give out my phone number to receive the SMS verification, and also all the Google authenticator and something like that. But right now, if you go to Coinbase, you have to submit your driver license. Your real identity will be revealed by Coinbase, and also come along with this is all the governments, or the banking sectors, or the regulators, or the financial regulators. They are going to have the cryptocurrency laws. They know what you are exactly doing in Coinbase. They know everything about your cryptocurrencies. They will track uh, your your buy and sell of cryptocurrencies, transfer in and out, the address that uh, your wallet address, your your address in Coinbase, and also probably some spot betting illegal address that you may visit um, in the midway of from Coinbase or through Coinbase. So the privacy identity, the privacy part of uh, of cryptocurrency is gone because of the success of Coinbase, because they require you to submit your state ID, they require you to submit your driver license. But back then we don't have to do that. But right now Coinbase make you do that, and also it forces also other exchanges also make you do that for all this no customer verification and all this bad stuff. Um, I don't have a Coinbase account. Disclaimer. Uh, I had a Coinbase account, but because I don't have driver license right now, I don't use Coinbase account anymore. I use Gemini. I use Gemini for my cryptocurrency exchanges. I like Gemini, by the way, but the IPO of Coinbase is very bad to the cryptocurrency markets. Is a bearish signal because it makes all this uh, um, crypto parts, it makes all the private parts disappearing, and the government can track you down uh, because of your identity is going to be stored in Coinbase and in exchanges. Okay, so if you look at it, for example, 2 days ago, there was an IPO of Coinbase, and then the Bitcoin price goes down, and also Ethereum price goes down, right? So it proves my point. It proves my point that the IPO of Coinbase is actually a bad thing to the cryptocurrencies. Okay, so the third reason, actually the main reason why I would suddenly say that I'm very bearish towards the cryptocurrency market. The third reason is the crash of all the crypto mining stocks this week. So if you look at the crypto mining stocks like Mara, like Riot Blockchain, Mara, or it's a Marathon, Payton, and Silvergate, SI, and other crypto stocks, they they went down for like 20% to 30%. It was a sudden crash, a very suspicious to me, very fishy to me. This crash, uh, it happened almost also exactly at the time where when Bitcoin has topped at 65,000. So Bitcoin's for example on the beginning of this week, Bitcoin went from 60,000 US dollars to 65,000 US dollars. So at that time, I was thinking that's all the crypto mining stocks like Riot will probably go up 30%, but instead it went down 30%, and this is very fishy to me. Uh, and I was also make the because of I also make the hypothesis that this crypto mining stocks um, the price change of this crypto mining stocks usually also precedes the also um, aligns with the subsequent price changes of the cryptocurrency prices. For example, if you look at gold mining stocks, the pricing usually agrees with the subsequent uh, price change of gold prices, and people use that as the indicator of the gold price and other previous metal precious metal prices. And so it may be an indicator that because the crash of the crypto mining stocks like 20%, 10% to 20%. Next week there may be a crash of the cryptocurrency for 10% or 20%. So that is the third reason. So to recap, the first reason is um, alt compound. I almost forgot it. It's the first reason is the alt compound. The second reason is the IPO of Coinbase. The third reason is the crash of cryptocurrency mining stocks and cryptocurrency related stocks. So these three reasons happen at the same time, and so this become a very strong um, indicator for me. It becomes a very strong signal for me that cryptocurrency maybe crash and will go down a lot um, next week or so. So we'll see. But I will make the bold claim that we won't see Bitcoin going back to 65,000 US dollars at least for this year, and we won't see Dogecoin going back to 45 cents at least for this year. And they have topped out. The Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market have topped out. And of course, part of the reason why I'm making this video is that I missed the boat, I missed the train of making significant gains of cryptocurrency this week, and yeah, so maybe this video will bring down the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. That may be a small motivation of me making this video, but the three reasons that I stated, they are true, they are real, and that may be the rationale that I'm thinking right now may be probably also what all these crypto whales or the major stakeholders, they may really like orchestra compound and also orchestra the Coinbase IPO and also all these crypto mining stocks. They crash all these crypto mining stocks um, and then subsequently crash the cryptocurrencies. So I don't know. I hope that it won't happen. But if you look at if you watch my video and think that I'm right, okay, this guy is right, and oh, this guy is a genius. I'm going to sell all my cryptocurrencies right now and take all my profits. And maybe a week later, and you visit my video again, and you want to thank me for saving you so much money. Maybe next week or next month or in the summer or in the second half of 2021, you want to thank me, then you can send some tips to my Bitcoin address listed below. Of course, I also want to wholeheartedly congratulate all you guys, cryptocurrency investor, making significant gains for Dogecoin, for example. For real, I mean, if you invest $1,000 in Dogecoin at the start of this year, you probably have 100 times more money right now, right? Than then probably you will want to sell it right now, and then yeah, and then if you look at this video again next month, and oh, this guy saved me a lot of money and I actually pocket my 100 times gain, and you can probably send me maybe one Dogecoin for a tip. Actually, the address below right now is actually for Bitcoin only, so only for Bitcoin. And so anyway, thank you for watching my video. I hope that you have a wonderful day, wonderful weekends, and also make a lot of money, and and enjoy. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.